I installed this part from E30, had great ratings on FCPE Euro, and basically blew out inside of the transmission. The reason we knew it blew out inside the trans was because it started leaking from the bottom when we were trying to bleed it. So we had to pull it back out, and the pin is still in there. So yeah, called FCPE Euro. They want me to submit pictures. So let's see where we go from here. This is what I need, bends, as you can see. I'm gonna have to stuff this in there and see if I can pull it up if I find it. All right, so this is the app. It's called USys Plus, and the way it works is you connect this camera, the light turns on, and then you allow to connect to the camera, and there you go. So where we're going is in here, and the rod, like I said, fell. So let's go ahead and put this in. So that piston there that you see is what came out. So let's try to grab it. Let's see if I have any luck. Right, so I'm gonna try to run this in there. It's a magnet. There we go. Ah, we got it. Got it. Oh my god, this was tedious. But thank God for the bore scope. Boy, without that, you cannot do this. This one had a catastrophic failure where this failed and basically popped this out completely. So as you can see, this is the assembly, how it looks. It's the push rod, this, and then this holds it in place. The part did come in from FCPE Euro overnight. FedEx just dropped it off. Incredible. Thank you, FCPE. This is the bleed screw. It's the bleed screw. Because when it's locked, there's no way in hell you're gonna get that in. This is not gonna have any give. But this is gonna make it a lot easier. You have one of these ratchets, because it's very uncomfortable to get in here. So I've been trying to bleed this the traditional way, however it's not working, so we're gonna try something different. We're gonna syringe out some fluid out of here, and then we're gonna grab this hose and put it on here, and then we're gonna bleed through this. All right, so we just gotta get the fluid right beneath that line. You gotta put this syringe, and then you stop for a second. See, that's the air coming out, and that's the process. So I'm gonna go ahead, and what I'm gonna do is, because I wanna get fluid through the whole system, I'm gonna crack the valve for 1 second.
This is a two-man job, so.
Yeah. Pumping the clutch, excuse me. I got pressure now finally. I didn't have pressure earlier. All right, so up next, I'm gonna do a drain and fill. And this car came with its lifetime fluid, allegedly, that what's in there. But this car sat for 11 years, 12 years. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the Royal Purple Synchro Max. It's 17. But no pro tip here, before you take this one out, always take out your full drain first, your full plug first. You pump fluid in until it starts to seep out, like you'll see it drip out, and that's when you know it's full. Just went for an incredible ride. What a difference! Downshifting, upshifting. It's just engaging, and it's smooth. Before it was like clunky. It was like I was fighting to put it in gear. Now it's just going nice and smooth.